In this short clip, we would like to demonstrate new features we have recently added to the VSCode plugin for the Move programming language. We'll demonstrate these features using source code from the core Move repository, but they will work just as well for any other Move language flavor, such as Sui Move. Let's start by opening a Move source code file in the tutorial section of the Move repository. The first feature we would like to demonstrate is called Type on Hover. When you hover over an identifier, either its use or its definition, you will see the type of this identifier. This also works for functions. If you hover a function name, you will see the function signature. The next feature we would like to talk about is called Go to Definition. You have an use of an identifier, but you don't know exactly where it was defined. You can use a drop-down menu and choose Go to Definition option for your cursor to be transported to the place where this identifier was defined. In this case, it wasn't very interesting as the use and the definition of the identifier were very close to one another, but this works also across modules. So if you would like to know where function address of is defined, you can use the same trick and your cursor will be transported to a different module where function address of is defined. Another feature we would like to demonstrate is finding all references of a given identifier in the entire code base. So if you would like to know where exactly function address of is being called throughout your code base, you can use a different option from the drop-down menu, find all references, and in the left pane, you will see all the places where function address of is being called within your code base. Another feature we would like to talk about is called Go to Definition. As we remember, when we hover over an identifier, we will see the type of this identifier, but we may not know where this type is actually defined. That's where the other option from the drop-down menu comes in, Go to Type Definition, that will transport the cursor to the place where the type is actually defined. In this case, it's the struct point type. The last feature I would like to talk about is passing compiler diagnostics to the IDE. When you develop your code and you make a mistake, for example, pass a wrong argument to a function, you will be immediately informed about this fact and often provided with some suggestions on how to fix it. All these features have been introduced as part of the language server implementation, which in turn is an implementation of a well-defined language server protocol, which was originally introduced by Microsoft. What this means is that it should be relatively easy to integrate these new features with additional IDEs and editors, and would very much welcome community contributions with that respect. Thank you.